Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Pointe-Saint-Pierre is a charming and historic spot on the beautiful Gaspé Peninsula in Quebec. Situated between the towns of Gaspé and Pointe-Saint-Pierre, this area is known for its stunning natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. Pointe-Saint-Pierre has been an important location for centuries. Starting in the 16th century, European fishermen from Basque Country, Brittany, and Normandy used this area as a base, due to its proximity to rich fishing waters and its sheltered cove. By the mid-19th century, the community had grown to over 200 people, thriving on fishing and maritime activities. Today, this area is a must-visit destination for nature and history enthusiasts alike. It has been designated as an important bird area, offering a haven for countless bird species.
Thank you very much.
From October to April, you might spot long-tailed ducks, common eiders, and even the rare Barrow's goldeneye. The cliffs and coastline also provide a perfect backdrop for whale watching. Pointe-Saint-Pierre is also a treasure trove of natural beauty. The Pointe Verte Coastal Trail, a 2-kilometer loop, lets you walk through meadows and forests while taking in breathtaking views of the Gulf of St. Lawrence. You can hear the waves crashing as you stroll through this peaceful area. Whether you're here for birdwatching, hiking, or just to soak up the history, Pointe-Saint-Pierre is a slice of paradise on the Gaspé Peninsula.
Thanks for watching!